Changing the email link to your Wise account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings section of the app or website. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Look for an option labeled Email or Email Preferences. Click on this option to view your current email address and the option to change it. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, you may need to confirm the change by clicking a verification link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the update. Once you've completed these steps, your Wise account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.